Actually, I just got a call from Croma. I have ordered a fridge 2 days before shifting here. So they just called me to let me know that they are delivering it today only. And they are just about to deliver it. And I'm very, very excited to show it to you. Alright, so the fridge is just delivered. And as my mama said, I'm dissolving this healthy in some water.